Hello, CV39. My name is Liz Romero, and I am your instructor for this class. I love this class, but I've never taught it online, so we are all in for an adventure. I wanted to just give you a quick update on how this class will be working. So once your class is available, you'll be able to see this is a home page. Different instructors set up their classes differently, so Canvas is great in that it's pretty uniform, but there is some variation in instructors' pages. So you'll always come to the home page, and that's where you'll find this video, as well as links. So you can link to the syllabus here, you can link to my email, or if you are wanting to come to my office hour, which is on Zoom, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 10 to 11, you can click right in here and it'll take you to the Zoom. Down here are the weekly modules, and so once the week is active, you'll be able to click into that week. So let's go into, at the bottom is a student cafe, which is a discussion board that you can talk to each other in. So week 1 will take you into the week, and you'll see I will open a couple weeks at a time, a module at a time. And the checklist for the week will be right here, and you'll read what the checklist is, what you're going to be doing for the week, and then you can either go down here and click the next button, or you can always go over here and click into modules to get back to where you were. One thing I would like you to do is go to your account and add a picture if you haven't already, as well as if you go onto your account, you can set your notifications. So you can set your notifications, and I'd like you to make sure that you set your notifications to receive announcements as well as grading submissions, because I might tell you that you need to change something for your assignment if it's not done, or if I'm not able to get it. If you are working on Mac computer, I am not able to access pages, and so you'll need to convert it to a Word document. So that's where I would tell you to make sure that you convert it. So I'm looking forward to getting to know each and every one of you, and to a fabulous semester. Bye.